Okay na. Move out. House, bye-bye. Agoy on the chair. Bye-bye, house.
Bye-bye. New chapter. We finished a chapter, we start a new one.
Yes. That's it. Lights out.
Let me close this.
Oh, we have to close that?
Or at least close.
Lights out. Last day. Bye-bye. Move out today. Move out. Move out. Move out today. Today is moving out. Bye-bye, yard. We'll see you in the video. See my walk around, walk around, walk around the house. We're living in this place. If you want to watch my live video here in my YouTube channel, go to my live video. You will see my yard, my backyard. Our last day here. We will journey to Philippines. See you next video. It might take a while for me to upload some other videos. Okay. Chicken boneless spicy.
No, it says mild. Here it says mild. 20 pieces.
Nice bed, huh? Hotel, motel. This picture here. Chair. Nice chair. Lights. This here, the TV. And this big mirror. That's a big mirror. And the bathroom. toilet and the shower. Bring my own blanket.
Their shame derives its meaning from us.
10:40 p.m. Tuesday, May 1st. It's getting late. Getting up 4:30. Good night. Good morning. It's 4 a.m. Thursday. Time to get ready.
But then, come to find out
Wow,
that
grabe.
the city was doing its final inspection of it on the freeway.
I drove
and
it
it's
to
just-
New York.
and if it's
Drove
on the
it
freeway
everywhere.
and it's going nice, it
Pictures.
gets
Out to eat.
Yeah,
the anniversary's
exactly.
already passed.
Well, yeah.
He doesn't take me to Laguna, I don't know.
Yeah.
You still,
Tapos
it's been
naman
2
sa-
days.
In gate for also. There you go. Wow, look at this. El Remake. Delayed, it's about the rest of the time.
Attention please. Cynthia Henry Spurgeon, police report 85 with your flight to Sacramento. Cynthia.
Oh, I think they're still looking our stuff. Right?
Hmm?
They're still looking. Ready at 1:30. 1:30, ready to fly to Japan. Taking off. Oh my. And oops. Wow, take a look at this chicken. And rice and beans. And rolls. You have vegetables. Oh, shaking. Right there. Airline food. Whoa. Nice basket. 9:30 p.m. Friday, I think. I just landed right now in Japan. Get out in the plane. Flying from Manila. What team are you? What kind of team?
Robotics team.
Robotic? Oh, good. The robotic team.
Until the bus makes a complete stop.
See, it's food. Oh. Oh my, you're cleaning up. Get some more fries. And we get some more fries. You're cleaning up. And this rice down there. They're closing down the restaurant. We're last one. And the rice down there. Okay. Oh, we have a flight delayed for long time. Anyway, it's 12 o'clock already. The United Airlines put us here. Very nice hotel and dinner and breakfast. A room. So we will be here till 5:30, and then we're going back to the airport in Japan, Narita Airport. So we'll be here and we'll be flying tomorrow at 9:30. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. We will be arriving in Philippines if everything goes well 1:30 p.m. So abot mi din na, okay? Game. Salamat. Saturday man ugma, no? Saturday. Okay.
This bus is bound for Narita International Airport. We will make a stop at Terminal 3, followed by stops at Terminal
How much is the drink?
No change?
No change? No exchange rate?
No,
They're not exchange rate.
they're not. No,
Oh,
no
there's
exchange.
baggage delivery. I see. That's a baggage delivery.
No exchange. No exchange. Oh
Ah,
my God. I
they
don't
don't
know
have
those
it.
people. I'm sorry. We are not in our hometown.
Yes.
Sorry.
We are
Natumba ka
not.
dito. Hindi natin alam.
Very kind Cindy here at the Philippine Airline lineup going to the Manila.
I love it.
Love it.
It's
Yes.
good to meet someone. It's nice too, right?
Yes. Philippine
Hello.
Airlines. Ano ko din.
Aha. Ganyan mo yung mga ano.
Nako. It's really nice here. Let's see.
Minsan sa ano lang, naglalagay lang ako dito sa may camera. Ika.
This one we carry on.
Because we're gonna claim that. I wanna claim that.
Philippine Airlines. Take off now. Take off na?
Oo.
Sa window. The wing. Wow, take a look at this. Philippines, Manila, Philippines. Down below. Hello, everyone. Mountains and the Philippine Airline wings. Wow, amazing. Nice. I was putting my fingers in sa likod.
Oo nga.
Tawa na. Just landed, everyone. Where's the wing? Yes, wings.
Abuja, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila.
Nakuha.
The local time is 1:05 in the afternoon, and
Thank
today
you,
is
Jesus. We are
May 4, 2024. The ground temperature is recorded at 34 degrees centigrade or 93.2.
Mabuhay, Philippines. We're going to immigration. Immigration.
Catherine Bernardo. Hindi ko kilala yan.
I know. This is the Philippine National Ninoy Aquino Airport.
Sa YouTube.
YouTube, yes please. I have a card. Bigyan kita.
Puro YouTube. Puro YouTube.
Vlog lang. Yes. Tingnan mo nga ha, i-share. Subscribe. Oh, look at those. Wala na. Oh my gosh. May maraming na, bigat na. Yes. Yes. Immigration, Philippine passport. Security area. Philippine gate. Philippine passport. Yeah. Foreign. Going to immigration now. Right here. Immigration. Tama na.
Did they get the bear? You know?
Let me check. Let's just rest for a minute. Where did he go? Vlog ko to. Sige, hold this for me.
Papunta na daw sila no? Medyo malayo pa kasi yung
Oh, malayo pa. Oh, sige, hello to my vlog now, YouTube. Can you hold the DP?
ma'am, nag-vlog ka?
Yes, I give you the card.
Subscribe pa namin ma'am.
Yes, subscriber. I put this in just short. Just short.
Hello vlog.
Yes. Thank you. Malayo pa lang ha. Hey, to my card, oh. My card. YouTube.
Ay, car. Lagi saan kayo, ma'am?
Taga dili. Taga dito.
Bicol?
Hindi.
Kasi may kaibigan ng car. Eman car.
Kahit ano-ano lang, ano. Asan yung isang baggage, sweetheart? Oh, it's there. Okay. Dito na lang kami.
Basic number 6.
Number 6.
Opo.
Sinabi mo?
Ayun ma'am, sinabi ko po.
Oh, ito na lang.
Sila dito ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, subscribe ka namin ma'am.
Look at this, mga sa ano dito. No, not it.
This is your pickup area. Sir.
This is a pickup passenger, or what do you call this? I-live sana kasi kaya lang wala akong data. Busy.
Where's Roll?
They're coming. They're in Terminal 3.
Ma'am, ikaw na ma'am. Ay ma'am.
Subscriber! Subscriber!
Maganda yung mga content mo.
Kahit ano-ano lang kayo. Ang content.
Ano ma'am, food vlog. Mga kainan. Food vlogging niyo ma'am.
Wala akong food vlogging. Arrive in Manila now.
It's like, you know, heating pad, but not a heating pad.
Oh,
You put it on the Philippines. And it's just like,
okay. It's a diver or something. Backpack. You can tell where you're from. We are from Denmark, group of Denmark. Yeah, is this group the whole group?
Yeah, from
Denmark. Oh, nice. They're going to, where you're going to? El Nido, Palawan, Mindanao. Nice. I'll post in YouTube shorts.
Nabitan nila ng may ato. Alam hindi ko alam niya si Red. Wala yan, no. Wala sigurong laman. Wala nang ano yan.
Is this strictly for card or cash? This is cash? Oh, okay. Cash tollway.
Cash or RFID.
Cash,
45. Ha?
Ilagay mo sa isa mo.
Ayan, 45. Oh, yan.
Walang ulupad man, natirado man yung bar.
Nag-live ka. Di ba ka mo
The coins?
Nasaan yung tala pesos? 1 peso.
Ano yan? 5
Wow.
pesos.
Are that 5
How much they worth in the U.S. dollar or U.S.?
1 peso worth 57. Ay, $1 worth
is equivalent to
57
57
pesos. 57 pesos.
It's been a while since I've seen.
Taas kayo ng
5 cents.
dollar sa ano. doon
56 dito sa...
Dito sa Save More sa bayan. 57.
Equal lang.
57.150 pa to. Alam ko na bayad ng buga ato.
Saan?
57.
Dito na lang, dito na.
Mahal.
Kaliwada.
Pero sa airport, 56 lang.
Dito?
Anong 56? May 57 doon.
Sa airport?
Sa video, oo.
Ah.
Yung 56, 50 is ano yun, black
Ano
market.
yan?
Below $100, doon ka mag-change. Unless 56 and 57.
Pero ang kaliwada, hindi ko nakita yung
Kaya
kaliwada
if
nila.
100 above dollars, 57.
57,
There
Oh,
is-
exchange rate. Exchange rate?
Si exchange rate is.
Nagkuhaan ka nila sa Facebook?
Ate, you can connect to my hotspot.
Tama ko?
Ha?
Sige, dito na lang. Makati.
Oh, no more car na. Ayan.
Nauna na.
I mean, no. Oh, really?
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you po.
Wala, isa pa yan. Walang ano man.
Yeah, I used to work at a chicken place. Years.
Yes.
XNR.
First time? Talaga?
Zahap. So big piece.
Nakikita ko?
Oo, nakita ka.
Yeah, we will eat dinner now. Okay. Na happy birthday and dinner. There. Celebration. Boy. Asa naman? Happy eating na ta. Kanon o pizza. Kagyot.
You say.
Puy na siya.
Maoy na ni di ay oh. Salamat, Ate Gingging. My sister. Ayan. Our Airbnb here. Our bed. Thank you for preparing the bed. Na ano. Nindot okay naman dili oh. So good job of the paint. My sister painted this. Huh?
Thank you.
Our bed. It's my baby sister, younger sister. Thank you. Kagwapa no? Oo, liwat sa amo.
Liwat sa mag-
Liwat sa Dugay na bitaw, no? 20 years. 20 years. 20 or 22?
22 years.
22 years.
Last kita is ano, 2002 yan.
Yeah, wow. It's a long time.
Yun ang ano sa mga bata sa inyo.
Oh,
Wedding anniversary.
Ay, print out.
Oh, print out.
Oh, nice. Print out. Happy anniversary. Kita ba ka na, no? Happy Thank you. Sus. Unsa din ni klase ni Sal? How are you doing?
I'm okay.
You're okay.
Ito yung coffee.
Asa tong pancake? Pancake from McDonald's. Pancake, how many did you get?
I don't know. I wasn't sure. I think 2 or 4.
McDonald's. Sige, pangaon mo. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for the food. No, I don't think so. Pandesal, di man klaro.
Pandesal.
Pandesal.
Well, just take it and roll it up and stick it together.
The pandesal is a famous bread in the Philippines. It's hot pandesal.
Pandesal. What is that? What is that connected to?
It's this is pandesal. Hala, empty na lagi ni. Kakanti lagi ni.
Oh, the house, is it for sale?
For rent. For rent.
How much is the rent? They don't have a sign.
No signs.
Hey, delivery is big business here. Huh?
Yeah, that's why I think he needs to get on that kind of business. Deliver.
You must be.
No, I didn't need it this morning. No, I don't need it right now. Ano ni? SM3? Oh, SM3.
Centro Mall.
Centro Mall. Asa ka dire? Ah, dire naman. Centro Mall. Driving na tayo. This is the Maayong gabi sa tanan. Hello everyone.
Even
Family.
it's still hot, the sun is
9 o'clock.
so hot. I'm
Natulog
walking
ko
because
tibok adlaw.
only every house, one
Tibok
person can go
adlaw.
out. They allow
Okay ra mi
only one
dire.
person go out to
So
walk,
okay
to
ra
buy
mi
some
dire.
foods.
Makamatulog na sad mig
So
balik.
I am the one who
My lip is
So
swollen.
a lot of people die here.
I think I'm dehydrated. Ayo mo.
There is,
Okay lang mi dire, nag-adjust pa og
I think
tulog.
there are 5.
Thank you
House is,
everyone. Love you all.
Another there, add 5 person. They are very strong.
Bye-bye. Love you all.
Physical fit, but